Hello, in front of me I've got NFL 26. In this video I'll show you how to adjust teams' uniforms. In the beginning, in Creation Center, let's go to Players and Uniforms. Go to Edit Current Uniforms, press L2 to change Team. Now you can select Main Uniform to edit, or you can select Custom Uniform to edit. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.